All right, so the story right here is called The Tale of Requiem, the Dragonfly. There once lived a dragonfly, simple as could be, who went by the name of Requiem, just as peaceful as could be. You see, Requiem was all about peace. Peace was always on his mind. Requiem was always on a search for peace, and Requiem would find peace every time. One day there was a disturbance in a faraway land. Such a mighty disturbance it was that it did rock and shake Requiem's land. So Requiem set out flying to the faraway land, for this was the only way that he would find peace in his own land. And when Requiem arrived, he did see a large walking stick, causing mighty holes in the ground, each hole the size of an abyss. Now Requiem realized that his world was in deep trouble. If he did not subdue the walking stick, the trouble would only double. And at that moment, Requiem began to glow, sending many fireflies with a fiery glow. And fire came from the fireflies until the walking stick was completely gone. Due to the fire hitting the walking stick was no more and completely gone. And when the walking stick was gone, the fireflies went away. After peace was restored once again, for the walking stick had gone away. And Requiem continued to search for peace and find it forevermore. This is just one tale of Requiem, the dragonfly. But trust me, there are many, many more. That story right there is called The Tale of Requiem, the Dragonfly.